Christ is risen today, Alleluia, a triumphant holy day.
My name is John East, and I live in New Orleans, Louisiana. I was raised Catholic. I sing in the choir at my church, and I absolutely love to sing. I just enjoy the camaraderie and the fellowship. I've always loved New Orleans as a child. My parents and grandparents grew up here, and personally, it's the joie de vivre, the joy of living. I had Blue Cross and Blue Shield 30 years. Medications alone for HIV cost thousands of dollars, and I could no longer afford the premiums. I was eligible for Ryan White subsidies, and they paid my insurance premiums from then on. When I first found out that Blue Cross was not accepting third-party payments, I was devastated. It was just absolute disbelief. The insurance was dropping people who they considered to be high risk, and I was one of them.
On the page, we had everything that we needed in the ACA to ensure that people living with HIV would be able to obtain the care that they needed. It was no longer possible to discriminate against individuals based on pre-existing conditions. The insurers down in Louisiana decided that if they stopped taking payments from third parties altogether, that they had found a way to avoid providing insurance to people living with HIV who had lower incomes.
My life was at stake, and it wasn't just my life. It was thousands. This was a wrong that needed to be corrected. Insurance companies should not be able to pick and choose who they insure. Everybody should have equal opportunities for health insurance.
What we had to do was go into court and ensure that the promise that was in the ACA became a reality for those individuals.
It's important that people be educated about HIV and AIDS. We've come a long way in the 30-plus years that this disease has been around, but there's still a lot of stigma and untold stories out there, and there's still a lot of work that needs to be done.
Suffer to redeem a lost